Guys, to the Crypto Capitalist, and today Ethereum is really on the run. And this article here is saying that we could see $1,800. Personally, I don't think that's enough. I honestly think that we'll see 2,000, 5,000, and even $10,000 very, very soon. And why do I say that? Well, let's go back and think about Bitcoin hitting its all-time high. And what did we expect? We did not expect 40,000 US dollars a couple months later. What happened was we went completely parabolic and broke all new time highs, and I don't think we're done. Now, Ethereum needs time to catch up, and that's exactly what it's doing. And that's what it did when it made its move a few weeks ago from $700 all the way up to 1,000. Monster move up, and like I said, guys, I don't see this thing stopping. And a lot of people are calling for 1,800 to 2,000 in the very short term, which is, unbelievably bullish. That's a 40-some% pump from where we are now. Now, Cardano, we've been talking about a lot on this channel because Ethereum and Cardano both have great platforms and ecosystems that hold a lot of utility. Some of these projects, all these shit coins, you can't really sift through them all, but when you look at the top 5, these both are here. And now IOHK out of Hong Kong, they have a project called Project Catalyst, which is merely just an experiment in dApps, decentralized applications. They've now announced that 11 winning proposals for funding as a part of Project Catalyst has finally come to fruition. Looks like they're moving along, and there's some real money that's flowing to these projects from institutions and big money. So this is good news for Cardano, because when you have Wall Street, and you have Hong Kong, and you have all these different countries, Southeast Asia and Asia in general is far ahead of the United States in any of this stuff. And we better get our act together, because it is the future of financial markets. It's just a mere fact if you really understand crypto and what it stands for. So I thought I'd show you guys both of those articles. Very exciting stuff for both cryptos. Now this is this looks like the yearly chart. No, this is about the 5-year chart for Ethereum. And I want to show you guys, we have this ceiling here around $1,400. It's probably high, a little bit higher. This green wick is showing somewhere around $1,589. So what can we expect with these next movements in the next hours if Bitcoin can really stay above or just kind of idle where it's at right now? Well, like we just had here, let's find that target right here, and boom. Yeah, so we're really looking at, let's see, I'm just going to put that there. It's a rough estimate, really. So, around $1,400 is really the target. So when we see this red candle here, we all thought, oh my gosh, we're dumping. Guys, you really think that we're going to let this thing get $100 away from all-time high and just let it dump? No, we didn't. We actually have very, very good support around this $10,000 area, which is incredibly bullish because we were just at 500 2 months ago. So, yeah, it's not even close to being the top. A lot of people want to call it the top. So, in my opinion, if we look at 2017, look, this thing really took off. It was, imagine picking up Ethereum around $8, $10, $20 even. They had this monster pump all the way up to $400. Tell me that if you were in this moment, you wouldn't be like, I'm selling. Now imagine selling at $400 and then looking at the price. What is that? A couple months later, a year later, $1,500. You would have been kicking yourself because you get these really fat crashes. A couple $100 crashes. It's probably 50, 60. What is that? Let's see, top to bottom. That's pretty much over 55% drop or something around that number. And then you have the leg up, and then you played in this area, and then boom. Now, where do I think we are right now in the price action for this move over here right now in 2021? Well, if we take a look right here, this is where I think we are. 2017 tells a story, and we must read it because that's all we have to go off of. And this is how it's a very young market. So this is our best educated guess and prediction for what's going to happen now. So I think we're in the middle of this move because we printed this really deep red wick here, and the bulls came back in control and pushed the price higher. Now, if you take a look, let's see, you come up here, like you instantly just got to sell off around 1380, 1370. And that's not going to happen this time. We'll print these red candles probably, these little red candles, just like we did here, and we'll make this leg higher. And if you notice, after we dumped for that moment here, how we printed this red candle, we really printed these just massive parabolic green candles all the way up to the all-time highs. So we're here, right? I see us shooting up, boing, coming down, retesting this, probably maybe even 1200 or something, and all the way back up. I think we'll break all-time highs. 1800 would be a great target. That'd be a great target. What this article says here, dude, 41%, I'll take it. We'll take it. Absolutely. So like I said, sky's the limit. There's no resistance above this. It's just blue sky. That's all we have to look forward to. So that's it, guys. Just telling you about Ethereum, a little bit more about Cardano. Guys, we're hitting these trades on the dot. We're calling out these prices. This is not financial advice, and I'm just here to kind of help people really get into the market and really understand crypto, because I've been in the space for like 5 years, and even that's not that long. So I'm learning every day. You're learning with me. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.